The call instruction PLC programming is used to call a subroutine or a function that has been defined in the PLC program. The call instruction allows a program to branch to a specific subroutine, execute the instructions contained within it, and then return to the point in the program where the call was made. The call instruction can be used to break up a large program into smaller, more manageable pieces, each contained within a subroutine. This can make the program easier to read, understand, and model. Additionally, subroutines can be reused in different parts of the program, saving time and effort in programming. The syntax for the call instruction in Delta PLC programming is as follows: call subroutine address here. Subroutine_address is the address of the subroutine that is to be called. The call instruction can be used with both internal subroutines, defined within the PLC program, and external subroutines, defined in other programs or libraries. Once the subroutine has finished executing, the program will return to the point in the program immediately after the call instruction. The return instruction is used within the subroutine to return to the point in the program where the subroutine was called. In summary, the call instruction in Delta PIC programming is used to call a subroutine, execute the instructions contained within to, and then return to the point in the program where the call was made. It can be used to make a program more modular and easier to